I'm going to do my skincare, my hair because it's rubbish. So I just wanted you guys to show you, I want to show you something. Thanks for getting to 17 subscribers. And thanks for getting to 2,000k. So this is my crystal. I'll get it all out. It's actually so nice. And at the crystal shop, it tells you things about the crystal. And it comes in these little cute packets. It's so cute. So we're going to do my skincare first, and then we're going to do my makeup. So I'm just going to get this out and squirt it. Now we're going to go with this. So now we're going to go do this. I'm going to do 2 squirts. I don't know about y'all, but I do 2 squirts. So, yeah. And then we mix, and I'm just going to mix it and then put it on my face. Then that, I forgot to use this. Mama's salad water, but who cares? I just rubbed dirt in my face. So now we're going to do my roll. Alright, so I've done this. Now I'm going to do my disgusting eyebrows. So, yeah. I'm also going to use some of my water to like spray the end of the brush and then like do my eyebrows. So, because I don't use gel, but I might get like the thingy what you push at your eyebrows for. I might get that because it might be at Beauty Outlet. Beauty Outlet is like a dream of makeup. Like you literally get everything there if you were there. Preppy girls. Done my eyebrows. Now I'm going to do my mascara. Now I'm going to go to the actual makeup stuff. So, yeah. I don't know what to start first. Rosie, have you put foundation on?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put a bit of foundation on. I'll be back when I've got it. We're literally only going bike riding, and I don't know why I'm putting like full face makeup. Not like a full face. I just want like half of my makeup routine. But I literally don't. Oh. What do you mean?
You take this out.
Oh, there's a little pokey bit on the ladder, and it just poked me right in.
Look at this, Ella. Remember?
Oh my god, yeah.
You get some babies in this.
Rosie, can I have my blender?
Yeah.
Right, I've got it my blender. So people like me have like, I'm only putting a bit of this on because it's actually a bit, you know, I don't even know how much I put on because I've not even got a mirror to look in. I have to look in here what I'm filming with. Like, I can't even know how much I'm putting on. You love me.
Yeah, I'll be back when I'm done.
So guys, I'm gonna just cut this off. It's already been 30 minutes. And I've not even done my whole face makeup. I've been doing my skincare, all of that. So yeah. Be back on this with blended because it's such bad lighting. So now we're going to go in with the liquid concealer. I hate liquid concealers. I just have to use it because it's the only concealer I have right now. My mum doesn't let me buy one at Beauty Outlet. So.
Sephora.
Brizzy. Okay. This is a bit dark. Anyways, it goes smooth. This one does. This is my sister's. This looks like I've just put tanning lotion on under my eyes. But it's all I can use right now. Because my bags, you know. I'm not doing what I did last time. I literally put it all here. It made such a difference. And we have to quickly blend it because it dries up. And then we have to put more in. It looks horrible.
Okay, do that.
And I don't even We literally, I don't know. Wait, where did we go yesterday? Where did we go yesterday? I forgot.
I'm gonna do my
Right.
mascara.
My mascara.
All I do is just
All of my makeup. This is my makeup.
coordinate.
Not my actual full face makeup, but yeah, it's part of my makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna pause the video.
It's just stressful. And you have to, girls have to do makeup. Have to, but like, a lot of people like go out.
That's my best song. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna do powder. I forgot to set my concealer before I put this on. Blommers. Mine this powder puff. It's Toyota's. It's got like foundation on it, but it's all I can use right now. It's all I can use right now. So yeah. So we're gonna open my powder. People use like hair powders, but my mum could not trust me. My mum could not trust me and my sister because we just get it everywhere. So yeah. So guys, I'm literally getting all this off now because my dad will not let us go out like this. I just forgot. So it's time to take it off. Yeah, and he will not let us go like this. Ever. So I'm just gonna do my skincare all over again because it'll wash off. Like buddy, don't mind Gardy. I just crisped you. So guys, I've done part of my makeup. Yeah. I literally need to do my eyebrows again because, you know, I had to rub all my makeup off and my eyebrows would have messed up by now. So guys, I'm also going to show you what I'm wearing, so yeah, I need to take these out now because I've done my whole makeup routine. So first I'm wearing this bracelet. It's got like little gold gems and then it's got like this pink and then it's got white and then it's got like a really light pink. If you can't see, I just do a close up and then white and then there's pink and then there's these little gold gems here. That's the bracelet I'm wearing. Next I'll be wearing this t-shirt. It's actually so nice. I'll probably wear it every day, but you know. And then I'll be wearing some perfume, and I'll go and get that. I'll be wearing my Ariana Grande perfume, and then I'm going to mix one together. Yeah. And then next, I've got this perfume. And then I've got my setting spray. So yeah, that's my get ready with me. Bye!